Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. A couple of masked vigilantes here looking to survive today on one of the coldest days of the year. We are down by the river under Turkey Hill. We're trying to get to Mann Run and one of the coolest frozen waterfalls, hopefully, that we'll see this winter. Let's go.
You had me for a second. So like 3 or 4 feet just hanging by that little
Hanging by a little branch there. Here's where it's cut. Wow. So about 3 or 4 could be up there.
Yeah.
Higher than us, hanging by a little branch like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing. So we're here at Mann's Run. Usually impressive falls, hidden by a lot of ice, still flowing under it. A lot of ice. I was hoping this section in here would be a little more frozen, because here's our way down if we're going to go into the chute. And across the way, the chute looks almost entirely frozen. That looks like a skating rink out there. And then there's about a 20-foot drop to the river. And there's usually just a big pillar of water frozen there. So that's what we wanted to see down there. That's the ice pillar. You see on the left, it's actually swaying. There's some of it swaying in the breeze. We're trying to figure out a safe way to get down into Mann Run here, and even more importantly, getting back up. The concrete walls here are kind of icy. The way that I usually come up, very slick. I think we could get down okay, but I'm just worried about getting back up. I have a rope in the car for adventure that we're going to do later, but I didn't think to bring it. Now it's 1.5 miles away. I think Cole found a cave though. Let's go check that out. in these rocks here. Cole found kind of a little shelter cave. Right above the falls. Clinging to the wall here. Yeah, at any moment, snow can break loose here. Next plan is figure out how to get down there, because there's fence the whole way around here.
A few moments later.
So here it is, the end of Mann Chute. Water's still building, probably building, taken away, I don't know. You can see right up here, that piece that's flapping in the wind is frozen around the stick. So I could break at any moment. That's amazing. Look at the pile down here. Yeah, stalactites, stalagmites. It's building from the river up and from the chute down. Another little waterfall back here where that trapdoor is. We'll get up in there too. Let's talk about the wind down here too. And all this precipitation has formed on one side. Just super bulky on one side of these branches sticking up. This is amazing. I haven't seen this anywhere else. Oh, God. This is stunning. Alright, so we do have some, there's areas where it's greenish that it's a little slushy, but we're kind of testing it. We got the buddy system. I haven't had that for the last couple of weeks here, so now we're out in front of this. It's amazing. That piece on the side is still swinging back and forth. Look at this pile. And there's kind of, I've been here when it's not frozen, and this is kind of like a little sheltered little inlet here. Yeah, the top, we're in the direct sunlight, so the top's a little slushy in places, but it's solid. Chunk of that base over by Cole's feet that he said probably a piece that's fallen off at some point. It's probably right here. It's got broken off and rebuilt and broken off. It's been cold like this for almost 3 weeks now. Unreal. How intricate this is. There's ice formations on the outside of this. Absolutely insane what nature can do. There's Cole for reference on the size of this thing. It's amazing. Like that piece it's swinging is probably as heavy as both of us combined. Like, and it's hanging by like a branch, like the thinnest. Can I get in here and see this? Yeah, look at that branch in there. That's what that's hanging by. I mean, that branch has got to be an inch wide. And that's hanging off of it. Unreal. Most of our walk-in, we're protected by Turkey Hill. But out here, man, the wind's really pounding my face. It is, even with this mask, man, it's making my face hurt. Face bones. Can't bring myself to walk back, though. Yeah, it's just all that spray coming off the chute, I think, blows over here and coats this. I felt a little bit of the mist, but it just comes over here and just coats everything. That greenish color in there. Oh, man. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. This is absolutely crazy. You gotta watch more of this, seriously. So I've talked about the trapdoor up on the chute of Mann's Run, and this is where it comes through. If you're walking down the chute, you really got to be careful up there, but under it, where all the water comes out, it's pretty impressive. Unfortunately, there's some graffiti here. All right, that's it from these Manns here on Mann's Run. Check out Cole's stuff on Instagram, at Cole Swanger. Awesome stuff. He sent the drone up, so hopefully that turned out very good and is in this video. So thank you very much for that.
Absolutely.
But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time. We've got another stop or two today. We'll see you there.